Welcome back. Why not take a vacation from aging this summer? It's a great time to do something for yourself, right? Whether you're 25 or 65, turn back the clock on the damaging effects of the sun, aging, acne, and more. Dr. Sonny O is here to explain some of the best treatment options, and you have a special offer just for Lowcountry Live viewers coming up in a little bit. So good to have you.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
It's such a pleasure to talk to you again. So you're going to show us some examples. You do, first of all, you do amazing work, but the first one is kind of a light. You're using a light to reduce the signs of aging. Tell me more.
It's light-based energy. It's called intense pulse light. We refer to it as a photofacial, and that's one of several tools that we have in the office to help address, some of the facial skin concerns, that start to show themselves, and if left untreated, will certainly progress.
Okay, so what are we looking at right there? That woman, and I want you guys at home, get really close to your TV. It's amazing. It looks like she's airbrushed. The difference that you've made.
I wish it were as easy as airbrush.
I know she's not airbrushed, but she looks
it's not
like
that difficult either.
Wow.
Those are some lines around the eyes. We refer to them as smile lines or crow's feet. And that was treated with our wrinkle-reducing laser. And it's a combination of that as well as the photofacial. So these treatments are what I would consider non-invasive. They have very little discomfort, really no downtime. And the treatments are very brief in duration, 15 to 30 minutes.
Wow.
You schedule them apart, every month or so. And the results are very nice.
So this is something literally you could maybe go in on your lunch break and do it in 15 to 30 minutes if you had to.
You certainly could.
Wow.
And that's the whole idea behind this. I think people are gravitating towards things that are easy to recover from or really have no recovery because they want to be busy, they have an active lifestyle, professional life. So these types of treatments are perfect for that.
You mentioned sun damage, and I want to talk more about that because living in Charleston and South Carolina, you can wear as much sunscreen as you want, but we love the weather, but there's so much sun, and there's a lot of brown spots. Is that like freckling? What are we looking at there?
Yeah, that's what we refer to as the décolleté or the chest area, and we oftentimes spend time protecting our face, but we overlook our neck or décolleté area, and sometimes that area will show premature or accelerated aging. And that was treated with the IPL photofacial, and it does a great job with those brown spots that can occur with sun damage.
Yeah, so how many treatments, for example? Does it take a couple to achieve results?
It does. Okay. It's a series of treatments, and as I said, they're 15 to 30 minutes in duration, and typically it's about 3 treatments, and they're spaced apart 4 to 6 weeks. 3
treatments, and that's what you get. And right there, the upper lip, it's like some brown spots that you also reduced?
Yes, that area was treated with the wrinkle reducer as well as the photofacial to help both with the brown spots and the finer lines that can develop around your mouth. And I think some of our viewers out there can identify with that.
Sure. Now, we were talking about all ages, whether, even if you're 25, 30, this is some of this that you could start just a little bit to do it now because it would help things, down the line.
Yeah, prevention is very helpful. One, you don't have to do dramatic or drastic things down the road. And some of the effects of these treatments are going to be as subtle as just evening out your skin tone, making your skin look more refreshed. So they don't have to be drastic changes, but if you do it early on in the front end, and then it's easier to maintain going forward.
Makes so much sense. Other treatments that you do, you can eliminate fat from stubborn areas. Tell me more. Everyone wants to know about that.
That's I've been very happy and excited with our fat treatment with laser. It's called Sculpture. It's a 25-minute treatment, absolutely no downtime, and it works great to treat problem areas like your tummy, like your love handles. So we've been thrilled.
You've seen great results.
Absolutely.
We've talked about
Patients
that
have been very happy with it.
And then the Timeless Glow, that's kind of your combo of a little bit of Botox, and then it's also the facial laser.
Yeah. Timeless Glow is kind of my vision for how it's a comprehensive treatment for the facial concerns. So it's a combination of the laser treatment, the photofacial, hair removal, treating spots, but you can combine that with Botox, which will help with wrinkles, and fillers, which can help with, softening areas, enhancing certain areas, such as your lips. So it's, we try to individualize it to what the patient's needs and concerns are.
And that's what we love, the individual care, and you leave just looking pretty, not totally different right
Absolutely.
away, right? People are
It's
just
a
like, wow,
natural
you look
look.
amazing when you're done. And you guys have a special offer right now for us to take a vacation from aging. You get $100 off if you call right now, the skin revitalization treatments. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. The number's there on the screen. It is 388-4939, and you can go to drsonnyo.com for more information. As always, a pleasure to see you.
Thank you.
Have a great trip. Going on vacation next week. All right, we've got much more Low Country Live in just a moment. Stick with us.